Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 19th of February 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, Egypt's installed renewable energy capacity climbed to 9.1 gigawatts by the end of 2025. Solar has emerged as the country's largest single green power source at around 3.2 gigawatts in operation. Wind farms account for about 3 gigawatts. Hydropower stands at 2.8 gigawatts and biomass at 64 megawatts. Egypt currently has around 4 gigawatts under construction. That includes 1.3 gigawatts of wind and 2.7 gigawatts of solar. The broader development pipeline totals about 14 gigawatts, including 9.4 gigawatts of privately developed wind projects and 4.7 gigawatts of private solar schemes. Energy innovation in 2026 is being shaped by competitiveness, energy security, and supply chain resilience. After several years of strong growth, innovation funding is entering a more uncertain phase. Venture capital declining but public and corporate R&D remaining stable, according to the International Energy Agency. Energy now accounts for the bulk of global patenting activity. More than 320 new energy startups raised first-time funding in 2025. Bulgaria needs to speed up its permitting process for wind projects and adopt market instruments such as contracts for difference and power purchase agreements to lower the risk for investors in the sector. The current permitting process is slow, and the adoption of CfDs is essential for securing the sustainability of the Bulgarian electricity sector. The Draft Act Energy from Renewable Sources in Maritime Space Act includes CfDs. However, they are not yet included in the Bulgarian Energy and Renewables Act. This could be a significant step towards unlocking the potential of large-scale clean energy projects, including offshore wind energy, in Bulgaria. Clean energy dealmaking is showing signs of a comeback in the United States after last year's sharp contraction. Buyer interest is picking up after the president's return to the White House put many investors in a wait-and-see mode for much of 2025. About 12 gigawatts of solar, wind, and energy storage power capacity changed hands through completed acquisitions last year, down more than 50% from a year earlier and the lowest level since 2013. A federal judge has dismissed U.S. Wind's claims in the lawsuit between Ocean City and the federal government over a planned offshore wind farm. U.S. District Judge Stephanie Gallagher on February 13th denied the Baltimore-based company's counterclaims in the case, ruling that the Trump administration has not made a final decision to which the company can object. The decision marks another defeat in the case for U.S. Wind after its request for a preliminary injunction was denied in December. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.